Hi, it's Liam here from Supreme. I'm going to show you how to top up the coolant. You have a reservoir here, you'll see the heat warning on it. They can be different spots, sometimes up here, over there, depending on your car, but the main thing is you'll see the heat warning. You're going to want to check this cold because it is a pressurized system. So this car here is low. There's nothing in the reservoir. So you do want to check your level when it's cold because the levels will drop. So you just want to grab it, make sure it's the right antifreeze that says GM approved, and it's the same color, and it's a pre-mixed, it's not concentrate. You don't want to overfill it because it will rise when it heats up. So you just want to fill it to your mark. So after you fill it up to the designated line, you should be good to go. If you have any troubles or issues or you're worried, bring your Supreme. Thanks for tuning into Supreme Tire Auto's channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more Supreme content. And remember, if you can't come to us, we'll come to you. We'll pick up your vehicle, service it, drop it off. Check the link in the description for an appointment. We'll see you guys next time.